Welcome to Biology Made Easy. We are still discussing structural organization in animals, specifically chordates. In this lesson, we will discuss functions of cavities and we will look at 5 major functions. Welcome. In our last lesson, which you have to refer to, we discussed external cavities, what they are, internal cavities, body cavities. Well, external cavities are cavities that open to the outside of the body. Internal or body cavities are cavities inside the body and houses internal organs. We looked at all this in detail in our last lesson. Please refer to it. Today we are looking at the functions of the cavities, and one is the functional efficiency of organs or systems. Organs or systems have great efficiency in their function because the organs are compartmentalized in cavities. It's like division of labor. The organs, like organs in the thoracic cavity, you have the heart with its blood vessels coming in and out in the thoracic cavity. You have in the thoracic cavity the lungs also housed neatly there, so that one part of the heart is not in another place and another part in another place. So the way structures are compartmentalized in cavities make them very efficient in their functions. Then you have the eye sockets and the buccal cavities. They are all in their various cavities to make the structures in there work efficiently. So the second function, the cavities support the structures within the cavity. Like the structures are enclosed in a cavity. As you can see, the abdominopelvic cavity supporting the digestive systems, the urinogenital systems in the cavity enclosed. Cavities also protect the structures from drying out because the cavities are moist and keep the structures from drying out and sticking on each other. Like the abdominopelvic cavity is moist, the thoracic cavity is moist. If we come here, the buccal cavity is moist, and so it prevents the structures from drying out, and it also prevents the structures from sticking on each other. Then the structures are protected from injury. Right? A lot of examples. Look at the cranial cavity in here. You have bones protecting the brain. The spinal cavity in these vertebrae protects the structure, spinal cord, from injury. Even the abdominopelvic cavity protects the structures in it from injury because the dorsal body wall is thick. The ventral body wall is not so thick, but protects the structures from injury. Example, in the external cavities, you have the tongue and the teeth being protected from injury by the buccal cavity. Then we have protection of structures from friction. And structures are protected in the cavities from friction because the cavities are moist. So the structures don't rub on each other or stick on each other. Also, the structures are protected from friction because there are special fluid around some structures. You have a structure like the heart. It has a membrane around it closely, and then you have the membrane, that's the pericardium. You see the pericardium being removed from the heart muscle. Between the two pericardial membranes is the pericardial fluid, and this fluid prevents the heart as it contracts and relaxes from friction. Then the lung also has the pleural membranes around. In between the two pleural membranes is the pleural fluid that prevents friction as the lungs contract, expand, and also reduce in size as breathing goes on. So we have protection from friction because of moisture in the whole cavity and also because of special fluid We have given examples here. What about the external cavities? Even the nasal cavities has always moisture in it. The buccal cavity has moisture, and so that is it. Cavities to protect structures. One, from drying out, from injury, from friction. So these are the major functions of the cavities. If the lesson have been useful, give us your thumb. Kindly do subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you very much. Goodbye.